Shalom and a very warm welcome to each of you, and a welcome to the Institute of Biblical Israel. My name is Dr. John DeLancey, and I serve as the instructor here at the Institute, as well as the director of our partnering ministry called Biblical Israel Ministries and Tours. Both of our ministries are all about teaching the Bible in the context of the land of Israel. Our course called Physical Settings of the Bible specifically teaches about the unique regions of the land. Things like mountains and valleys and passes and locations of ancient cities and routes. We think all of this is important to understand these biblical stories in the context to where they took place. So perhaps you are a Bible student wanting to go deeper into learning about God's Word. Perhaps you've been to Israel and you want to explore with more depth and meaning the layout of the land. Or perhaps you're preparing for your own Israel trip. We really think that this course called Physical Settings of the Bible will not only help you learn about the land of Israel, but we also hope that it will excite you and inspire you as you learn the Bible in the context of the land of Israel. This course will include 14 individual sessions, totaling about 7.5 hours of teaching. The first 7 sessions, our focus will be upon learning about the geography of Israel, the unique regions of the land. In fact, we'll make our way from the south to the north, looking at the very unique features of these regions. We'll talk about things like topography, the location of ancient cities, and all of this within the context of the stories from both the Old and the New Testaments. Also, unique to this course, the last 7 sessions of this course will include the marking of maps. We'll be using maps from biblical backgrounds, a wonderful set of 7 maps where we will mark with different colored pens these maps as we talk about the stories of the Bible. Now, ideally, you will want to purchase these maps from biblical backgrounds, or you could simply just watch my instruction over these last 7 sessions of how we take the map and learn about the uniqueness of the stories in the context of the land. I think it's a great way to understand, again, the layout of the land of Israel. One additional feature of taking an online course like this is that once you sign up for this class, you'll be able to view these 14 teaching sessions or videos at your convenience. There will be no deadlines or time frames to complete any of these sessions. And as you walk through these sessions one after another, please know that I'd be honored and privileged as your personal instructor to field any questions or comments that you might have. And I have to say this, I think we're going to have a lot of fun in learning the Bible in the context of the land. Certainly feel free to email me at drjohn@biblicalisraeltours.com if you have any questions about this course. So as God leads and provides for you, I look forward to sharing my personal teaching ministry with you all. Until then, Shalom.